Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Today, let us see and define a very small definition called as pollen-pistil interaction. So let me share my screen whiteboard with you. Today's topic is pollen-pistil interaction. Now, what is pollen-pistil interaction? All the sequence of events from the deposition of pollen on the stigma till the entry of pollen tube in the ovule together referred to as pollen-pistil interaction. Let me write the definition for you. All the sequence of events from the deposition of pollen on the stigma till the entry of pollen tube in the ovule together. This is referred to as pollen-pistil interaction. Now let us see in brief about pollen-pistil interaction. After pollination, the pollen grain gets deposited on stigma. It is two-celled, having a larger tube cell and smaller generative cells. The sugary secretion produced on stigma stimulate the germination of pollen grain students. The inner covering intine produces a pollen tube which comes out through a germ pore. The tube nucleus enters the pollen tube first, followed by generative nucleus. Here what happens? The tube cell disintegrates while generative nucleus divides by mitosis. So the process what happens? Tube cell disintegrates, whereas generative nucleus divides by mitosis to produce two haploid male gametes. The pollen tube with its contents, that is tube nucleus, cytoplasm and two male gametes, is called as male gametophyte. What is this male gametophyte? Male gametophyte. What is this? I repeat again. The pollen tube with its contents, that is tube nucleus, cytoplasm and two male gametes. It's called as male gametophyte. The pollen tube bores its way through the stigma, passes down through the style towards the ovary. After reaching the ovary, the pollen tube enters the ovule through micropyle, that is porogamy, and then enters one of the synergids through filiform apparatus. The extensive infoldings of the wall in synergids at the micropylar region is called as filiform apparatus. I repeat, it is called as filiform apparatus. What is this definition? I repeat to you again. The extensive enfoldings of wall in the synergids at the micropylar end is called the filiform apparatus. It plays a very important role in attracting the pollen tube. Now, all these sequences which I explained to you, from deposition of pollen on the stigma till the entry of pollen tube into the ovule together, refer to as pollen-pistil interaction. This definition was asked by one of the students, Sarah, who is right now pursuing NEET. She is giving the NEET 2021 exam. Hope, Sarah, I've solved your question, and I hope you come out with an excellent colors in NEET exam with 650 plus scores. Students, if anyone interested in sending us doubts related to NEET, let it be NEET or JEE, botany, zoology, chemistry, physics, maths, please do send to a WhatsApp number, which is this, which I write here, 9150562966. Anytime you send the doubt with your name, we will definitely clarify your doubts. Hope I've solved your question, Sarah. Thank you.